So there was the green jungle in South America, probably in Brazil. In the jungle lived a parrot. The parrot was red and yellow and blue, and its beak was very strong and black. And the parrot loved to fly here and fly there over the waterfall, and the parrot could hear people speaking, and she. Is it a girl or a boy? Hey, girl, boy?
Girl.
Okay, this is a girl. Okay, so the parrot, she heard people speak, and as people were speaking, she started to repeat what they said. And the parrot said, "Hello, hello." And then there was this trapper, a really mean guy. And he heard the parrot say, "Hello, hello." And he said, "Oh, okay, I'm gonna catch you." So he went catch her with his net. And he gave the parrot papaya because the parrot loved papaya and was like, "Yummy, yummy." And as she was eating, he managed to catch her with the net and put her in a cage. And the parrot was rather sad in the cage. They were going away because the trapper, his plan was to take the birdie to the United States of America and get a lot of money for the parrot. And they were flying, and the bird was really very, very sad. And she didn't really want to be in the cage. And she started to chew on the lock and got her very strong beak. There it is. And she managed to open the lock and open the door of the cage, and ta-da! Flew away back to the jungle and lived happily ever after.